What's the meaning of armadillo? Armadillo. Armadillo.
Armadillo. Armadillo. An armadillo is a small mammal with a bony armor-like shell covering its body. The name armadillo comes from the Spanish word for little armored one. Armadillos are found mainly in Central and South America, but also in some parts of the southern United States. They are primarily nocturnal animals, feeding on insects, small vertebrates, and plant matter. Some species of armadillo have the ability to roll up into a ball as a means of protection from predators. The armadillo's unique appearance and defensive capabilities make it an interesting and important animal in many cultures.